Hello, everyone, and today is August 14th, 2021, and I'm here with another update for Tronmoon.space. Under this is a relaunch of Tronmoon, so it's at rocket.tronmoon.space now. And just to give you a recap of this smart contract, they offer a 3% daily return, 300% total return on investment. They have 5 levels of referral that equal up to 15%. There's an automatic redeposit of 35%, and the redeposit also pays into the referral payout, which is good. They claim to have a dynamic dumping protection system, so I'm assuming that the auto redeposit is what they're explaining, and they have a 200 TRX minimum deposit. Let's go and check the contract on TronScan. They're still looking pretty good. There's 1,928,803.26 TRX in the smart contract. There's 182,419 US dollars, and they've had 4,184 transactions. So to date, they've had 4.5 million TRX deposited and a total of 1.8 million withdrawn. There's currently 1,051 users. And this is our progress to date. We started with 200 TRX, and then we had a redeposit of 3,152 TRX. Our next transaction was a redeposit also of 225 TRX. And then our last one a couple of days ago was 254 TRX. So we're going to do a withdrawal and automatic 35% redeposit today. So the total amount that I've deposited is 3,833.03 TRX. And I know you're wondering, so how could you have withdrawn 10,380.09 TRX? And that's because of the referrals. So on each level of referrals, you're getting anywhere from 5% to 1% back when someone uses your referral link. So that's how that works. So far we've earned 10,531.8455 in TRX referral rewards. And because you are watching this video and you subscribe to our channel and also are a member of the Facebook page, I'm more than happy to share your referral link on a future video. So just let me know and I'll be happy to do that for you. So let's do our withdrawal. Okay, great. So 35% of our amount was 649.1642 TRX. And each time you do a withdrawal is actually creating a new 100-day contract, which is nice. So there we are. We have to wait a whole 24 hours before we can withdraw again. But what I'll do is probably wait 4 to 5 days just to let it build up again. And that's something that there's no right or wrong way. You can withdraw every day or withdraw and redeposit every day. It's pretty much up to you what your strategy is going to be. And so for right now, that's it for today. Happy investing and safe investing. Remember to like and share the video if it was helpful to you, and I will see you next time.